guys, beautiful. Wow, beautiful. See? And that's Lolong Lakwatsero. Where's Lolong Lakwatsero? Oh no, here. And that's it, Lolong Lakwatsero. What can you say, Lo? What can you say about this?
Okay, Schwan now is the name of the Schwan.
What's one?
It's the white big dog.
Ah, look, that one. Oh.
Swan.
Ah, no. It's beautiful, guys. I forgot all. What is the name again, Lo?
Schwan now.
Lower sea. Oh.
Owl is always a land shape,
And
and Schwan is because that is what we have in Lauer.
okay.
The lake is named Lakwatsero See because of the village Lakwatsero.
Ah, wow. That's nice, Lo. Thank you for the information. It's really nice. Wow. Flowers.
Yeah.
Guys, lalakad naman kami ni Lolo dito sa Lawerts. After sa Sweets, dito naman sa Lawerts. It's beautiful here. Mga dagway sa Lakwatsero, oh. Look, Lo. Say hi, Lo. Don't hide. Ah. 4?
Decoration, and
okay.
they are so soft like cats.
Ah, okay.
Therefore we call them in Sweet German
Okay.
Kapsli. Hier sind Skraken Destillerie, written on the truck, and here are the beer,
Lawerts. Beautiful. No need. Si Lolo gustong pumasok doon, ayaw ko nga. Uy, go na, Lo. Lo. Tigas. Wow, beautiful. Words of the day, beautiful, awesome. Hello. Kwatatag. Pato kaya yan? Ano ba tawag dyan? Ganda, no? Ganda pa yung reflection ng water sa ano, mountain. Wow. Just wow. Beautiful. Ganda ng clouds, nag-reflection. Sana all. Beautiful. Dito na naman tayo sa beautiful na to. Dito. Si Lolo napagod. Nag-e-enjoy sa view. Yeah, it's really beautiful. That's my Lolo. Kanina pa kami naglalakad sa Swiss pa lang. Ngayon dito naman. Ganda naman talaga ng Switzerland. Kahit sang sulok ang ganda, hindi ka magsasawa mag video picture. Mountain, that's my mountain, my favorite mountain.
Railway.
Okay. Now it's time to go home. Pagod na si Lolo, nagkalalakad sa Lakwatsero. Uwi na kami guys. Maraming salamat guys sa panonood, sa suporta nyo. Please don't forget to share and like my videos and follow na rin po sa akin. Maraming salamat. Sa Facebook ko rin po, pwede po rin. I-follow na rin, i-subscribe yung YouTube ko at saka Facebook. Follow na lang. Maraming salamat po sa panonood. Thank you, thank you. Greetings from Switzerland. Bye bye guys, bye bye.